Hey everyone! I want to share my personal journey of how I burned belly fat and transformed my body with just a few targeted exercises. Here's how I did it. I survived countless days of frustration and self-doubt trying to find the perfect routine. The struggle was real and the motivation was sometimes hard to come by. I spent hours researching and testing different exercises, finding what really works for burning belly fat. I discovered that traditional crunches and sit-ups weren't as effective as I thought. Instead, I built a routine that focused on dynamic and compound movements like planks, mountain climbers, and Russian twists. I saved time and energy by sticking to exercises that delivered results quickly. Incorporating moves like bicycle crunches and high knees helped me shed those stubborn inches. Each workout was designed to target not just the belly, but also improve overall strength and endurance. I built a daily routine that included these powerful exercises. My routine also integrated a mix of cardio and strength training, which kept things exciting and effective. Over time, the consistency paid off, and I saw incredible changes not only in my physique but also in my mental resilience. I got the results I wanted. Not only did my belly fat decrease significantly, but my overall energy and mood improved dramatically. I felt stronger, more confident, and ready to take on any challenge, feeling inspired. Try these exercises yourself and see how they can transform your body and health. Consistency is key, so set small goals and track your progress. Remember, every little step counts towards your big transformation. Need a boost in your busy life? Fresh Juice Original is perfect for making fresh smoothies anywhere. With over 100 5-star reviews and free shipping, it's a game changer. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues, Strength Training for Seniors offers 45 easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The fitness tracker is perfect for tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below.